Hello student, now we discuss modification of leaf is the next topic of the third chapter plant life. This topic is related to your biology book. In some plants, the leaves are modified to carry out some specific function like to provide support, for defense, to store food and water, and also for nutrition and for the vegetative propagation. Beside the primary functions such as photosynthesis and transpiration, in some plants the leaves are modified and carry out some specific function like to provide support, defense and storage of food and food nutrition and for the vegetative propagation. Now we discuss the first modification like leaf tendril. In wild pea, the entire leaf is modified into a tendril. In many weak stem plant, the whole leaf and the part of the leaf get modified into thin thread-like structure. Thin thread-like structure, which is called leaf tendril. The tendril provides suitable support in the climbing of weak stem. They stretch out and coil around any suitable support to help the plant in climbing. For example, in the pea plant. Now we discuss leaf spine. Leaf of certain plant get modified to provide protection. And to reduce water loss. For example, in cactus plant do not have broad green leaves. It has only thick green stem. Perform the process of photosynthesis and make food for plants. Now we discuss about scale leaf. They are thin and dry structure which are usually brownish in color and colorless. They take up the function to protecting the auxiliary bud in ginger. You already seen in ginger, they take up the function of protecting the auxiliary buds as in ginger. But in case of onion, it stores food prepared by the plant and become thick and fleshy. Now we discuss about the modification of leaves in insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants such as pitcher plant, Venus flytrap are adapted to grow in soil which does not have enough minerals, especially nitrogen. These plants feed on insects to obtain mineral. For this, they are modified to trap the insect. They have chlorophyll in their leaves that help them in making of food. Now some example of modified insectivorous plants are as follow. First is pitcher plant. In this plant, the lamina of leaf is modified into trapping device called pitcher. Next one is a Venus flytrap. In this plant, the edge of the leaves have long pointed hair. The lamina of leaf is divided into two parts, having midrib in between like hinge. When insect visit the plant, the leaf suddenly close and insect get trapped and digested by the juice secreted by this leaf. In the bladderwort, its leaves are highly segmented. Some segments form bladder-like structure. When insect enter through the opening, it get trapped. The insect cannot come out from the opening. It get digested by the juice secreted by the leaves. Thank you.